How to upload videos to X or Twitter account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, head over to your application X or Twitter. Enter a login credential as in your username and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. In order to upload the video, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Got It. Now click on this picture icon at the bottom left corner. It will open up your gallery. From gallery, choose any of the specific video that you would like to upload on X or Twitter account. Let's say this is the video I would like to upload for now. Once you've selected, tap on Done at the top right corner. Once again click on Add. Well, now you will be able to edit this video. Over here, you can tag the people and also add the location to your video. You can also enter the caption to the video. Once your video is ready to be uploaded, tap on Post at the top right corner of the screen. After that, your video will be uploaded successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can upload video on X or Twitter account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.